Hi guys! It's been a while. Hindi ako nakakapag-vlog, hindi na ako nakakapagluto ng maayos para na hindi na ako nakakagawa ng bago pang recipe guys. Sumama yung pakiramdam ko. Until right now, I have a winter flu. Ito yung tawag nila dito pag alam ko yung ibang Pinoy or other Filipinos who can relate this kasi winter flu hindi natin maiwasan guys pag winter season. Yung lamig, tapos merong mix ng ulan, alam mo yon magkaka-winter flu ka talaga. Yesterday or from Sunday up to yesterday, I had 39.4 fever. So, ngayon, yesterday evening, bumaba na siya guys. Thank God. Naging okay na. Pero yung pamamalat ko, yung boses ko, ganyan pa rin. Hindi ko na yan siguro may edit or hindi ko yan change until na gumaling talaga ako. When nag-crave ako today ng waffles, from Sunday up to yesterday, only banana in soup lang talaga yung kinakain ko guys kasi sobrang sakit pag nilunok ko. Feeling ko may sugat yung aking throat. Pero, ayan, my husband told me na I have to call the doctors, pero hindi ko ginawa kasi bumaba na naman yung fever ko yesterday. So, magsistay at home lang ako. I think the rest of the week, try mag-relax, feel better, na bumalik ulit next week para at least makapagtrabaho ulit. And I was going to make some waffles. Ayan. Kinikrave ko siya, guys. Gagawa ko ng waffles na may cream. I know that this is not a good timing to eat this kasi hindi siya totally healthy. Pero, yeah. Ang feeling ko ito yung today papasok sa lalamunan ko. Hindi lang soup and banana. Kasi from Sunday, like what I told you, Sunday to up to yesterday, I only ate banana and soup. So, we'll see. Yes. Thank you guys for being there for me. Thank you for your support. And yeah, be safe everyone. And I hope everyone is always healthy. And God bless. Bye! Guys, and to those who asking me kung ano yung iniinom ko kapag meron akong flu or trangkaso, ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo. Wait lang. Ito yung iniinom ko kasi alam ko, this is, ayan guys, yan yung iniinom ko. It's a mix of orange and cinnamon stick. Sobrang sama talaga ng pakiramdam ko guys. I-open natin to. Yun yung pagkaiingatan nyo. Alam ko na I know that we need to work for our family but and able to help them. Kailangan muna nating tulungan yung mga sarili natin. Kailangan nating alagaan yung sarili natin. Waffle!